Hi, my name is Coach Moxie. A quick intro. I am here to help you win. Now, and of course, the ideas I share, the strategies I share, you probably have 1,000 different alternatives to it, right? And you probably have better solutions than I'm suggesting. Regardless, you don't have my results. And if you do, congratulations. If you did it in a different way, congratulations equally. But if you don't, you probably need to put your head down and listen to what I have to say, right? This is meticulously recorded progress that I was doing because I knew I will attract you at some point, and you will need as much advantage as I have enjoyed building this. Are you getting it? So get down to business, drive yourself through it, learn, and learn. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose. I'm always open for questions. You can email me or reach out to me on any of the contacts I'll put on the screen. I have your best interest. I hope that you work with me so we can make this world better. Thank you. I feel like I should add this right now at the very edge of this training before I start giving in-depth explanation. It's very, very clear already that from everything you've learned so far, that PosterMyWall, what is really happening on PosterMyWall is not a freelance situation. It's not a freelance gig. Are you getting it? It is somebody coming to build their vision of design and attend to their vision of a perfect client, perfect customers or clients. Are you getting it? And having this one design serve many purposes in many situations across all kinds of areas and in all kinds of country. Are you getting it? So you have one design that is multi-purposing itself. So now I'm saying this to tell you that if you are still learning design, if you've not mastered design and design tools like Photoshop and other design tools, you should pause and go and learn them. It's going to matter, right? Because all these whole complaints about PosterMyWall doesn't have this tool and that tool is basically because you fail to understand that people build things based on the infrastructure that is available. People build on infrastructures. Just like Amazon has no need to put word editor. Amazon KDB has no need to put word editor. Are you getting it? On the publisher's dashboard. Are you getting it? Because they know that Microsoft is there, Microsoft Word is there, Google Doc is there, all kinds of other alternatives. This is the infrastructure, right? So they have no need to burden their platform with all those things. It's the same thing. If you really want to win, that idea of design you want to achieve, use Photoshop and completely do it from scratch and import all your elements, export all of them as PNG and import them into the platform and arrange. Are you getting it? I feel I should point this out before I actually go. I've already finished the entire training, right? And this is an addition that is coming as I was editing it. So pardon me, I'm about to dive in to really get to you on this whole thing about I'm not here to teach designs. Welcome, my name is Coach Moxie. Welcome to another version of this section on creating I don't teach how to design. If that's your situation, you shouldn't be listening to this. I feel like I should clarify something. I do not teach how to design. If you want to learn how to design, there is tons of tutorials on designing on YouTube, and there are paid courses on Udemy. There are ones that are free. Are you getting it? On all kinds of platforms. Go and watch that video. Learn how to design with Photoshop, with Canva, with with Corel Draw, with whatever you're comfortable with. Go and learn design if that's your situation. Because if you really do not know how to design and you venture into PosterMyWall, I told you before that anything does not go. Because PosterMyWall decided to get out of your way so that you will not say that they are the ones who are preventing you from expressing some creativity that you are feeling, should be expressed. You get? But unfortunately for you, when they have left sales and use and all those things, and what should be liked or hated to the customer, to the clients, the people who come to the platform to make use of designs. Those people, customers are brutal. Their honesty is unbelievable. They will ignore your design like mad. Scroll past it. Are you getting it? So if you already do not have the skill to design, go and learn it. Please go and learn it. Because you will have like 300, you'll be wondering why you're not making sales. Yeah, you have like 300 designs. No use, no sales. And you're wondering. Because first you don't even know how to design. So go and learn it. Go and learn the concepts. Go and learn color, how it works, how to balance it. Go and learn layout. Go and learn how to embellish design with elements. Go and learn how to edit pictures. Go and understand the basic code. And they simplify the tools. As much as you want to complain about, the only thing I actually feel that they should add to PosterMyWall right now, and as a tool, and I'll be in love with them, like my love for them will be going through the roof, is layers. Once they add layers to that business called PosterMyWall, Jesus, my God. Woo! Do you understand? Because it's not like I don't know. I use other tools. The things that they don't have, I go into Photoshop and I do it. And I bring it, I upload it. I bring it into the platform and make it work. Do you understand? So if you really do not know how to design, the limitation of your design is the whole thing that the tools of PosterMyWall can allow you to do. You have a big problem. You will know win. I promise you. I'm not threatening you, but because anything does not go, you get, go and learn how to design. Go and learn how to learn it. I don't think if that's what you want, I'm not that guy. Because why there's a temptation to teach you? There's enough resources. I found myself doing this because there is no resource. When I was trying to start to PosterMyWall, I combed YouTube. I combed everywhere to find out who are on this platform. I was seeing tons of people who are proud of being on Canva, doing all kinds of things. I could not see people who are doing anything who are trying to teach how to design or all of that on YouTube or any other place. In fact, the only video I found that said, let's just give this a try, was one video a girl did where she was showing the withdrawal details of another, not even her own, like somebody else that is in a different country from where she is. She's not even a designer on PosterMyWall. And the ridiculous example she gave for which you should aim on PosterMyWall, no wonder people who are very poor designers always attempt to say, okay, let's see whether we can be on this platform. Are you getting it? But that was all I said, and that's the gap I'm trying to close. So that people who truly can do this and knows that there is something here can be here. I'm telling you, ridiculous designs I've seen on the platform. Painful. Why? Because most people don't know how to design. They just think this is not PowerPoint. I see a lot of design that can be done with PowerPoint. And I'm like, and you expect a lot from that situation. I'm telling you, be interested in go and learn. Close your gaps. Because PosterMyWall will not close before you. They will just, when you submit, they will just check if it's similar to anybody's design. They will just publish it. They will not even tell you. Apart from if the elements are not high, in terms of size, right? Just in case somebody wants to resize it. They will not even tell you that this is the color. No, they'll just publish it for you. And then watch you be tormented by the lack of use and the lack of sales. Yet you have 300, 500, 1,000, 1,000, and 2,000 designs. They will watch you be tormented. Because they don't want to get into in your way. If you, as the professional, feel that what you are publishing now should be given the light of the day, like it is what the customer would like, okay, well, let's publish it. Let's see if the customer wants it. And then 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 7, 8, 1 year, nobody have customized or gotten you payment from the design you published. And the customer is watching you, you're watching them. Now you are complaining, you are bitching about everything. You refuse to be a professional. And just in case you are building as a one person, you have refused to be a professional. Go and learn. Go and learn. Learn how to do designs. Just learning how to do high quality designs will increase your chances of sales by a lot. Like when I say a lot, I say a whole lot, by 360-degree kind of lot. Go and learn how to do design. Learn it. I get it. Learn it. Spend time, energy, watch videos, watch experts, ask questions. I get it, because there's a temptation now for people to cluster around me, asking me, is this design I did? I don't think that should be my job. Because if you are building a store, I get it. It's just like being on Amazon KDP, and you're publishing book, and you're trying to ask me, is this book I published great? I wasn't in your mind. I don't know what you were trying to express. Your creativity. Do you understand? I don't know the story you are trying to tell. The story you're trying to tell maybe something that I'm against, or maybe I'm not identifying. Do you understand? The best thing I can do for you is to send you to where you should learn how the technicals of what you are doing. But the creatives of it is all you. Are you getting it? Go and learn. Go and learn. Because all these platforms I've learned how to get out of your way. So that if you are doing anything goes, if you have refused to become a professional, you will be punished. I'm sorry, I shall know me. And even at the level I'm working, I'm not even I've not even become what I want professionally to even be attracting the portion I want out of the 60 billion. Do you understand? Yes, now. Go and learn. That's why I leave this matter on. Go and learn now. Because if you reach out to me and tell me this is I want to publish, how do you see it? I don't see anything now. It's none of my business. I get it. The only thing I want to know when I'm looking at your store is I want to rate your professionalism, how professional you are. That's just what I want to rate. And when I do that, I know how far you are. Because when customers punish you, don't forget there are a minimum of 3 million designs on the platform. So if you think anything goes, your design will sink in the 3 million. Sink. Don't forget there are 3 million designs published on the platform, at least. So anything goes is actually a disaster, because you're already competing against 3 million. That design is already competing against 3 million designs minimum. It doesn't even have chance already, let alone when you're not even a professional, when you're not even doing your best work. Are you crazy? My dear, I leave it to you. I raise my hand and I leave it to you. Alright, thank you.